My name is Roz Dupiton, and this is Buy Time. I'm a real estate pro who's helped hundreds purchase their perfect home in Chicago, and I'm bringing my expertise straight to you. If you're in the market for a home in Chicago, you might be wondering which option is the right fit for you. Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll explore the pros and cons of buying an investor flip versus a home that needs cosmetic updating. So let's dive right in. Let's start by talking about gut rehabbed homes. These properties have undergone extensive renovations, often by investors or developers. They're essentially like brand new homes in established neighborhoods or older condo buildings. Here are some of the pros to consider. Rehabbed homes are more picture perfect and move-in ready. The heavy lifting has been done for you, from updated electrical to plumbing fixtures and modern finishes. Some rehabbed homes come with warranties on new appliances or furnaces, reducing the need for immediate replacements. These homes often feature the latest design trends, incorporating open floor plans, stylish kitchens, and upgraded bathrooms. You'll get that modern aesthetic you desire without having to tackle any major renovations. Avoid homes that are full of shortcuts. Sometimes major problems go unaddressed, or these homes have subpar workmanship. There are many developers doing great work around the city, but as markets shift and construction expenses rise, profits get squeezed for less experienced investors, which can make them cost-conscious and reluctant to make repairs found during the inspection phase. Remember, many rehabs in Chicago are not completed by major builders or developers who offer workmanship warranties. Inspect carefully and don't rely on post-closing promises from smaller operators. On the other hand, let's talk about homes that need some updating. These properties may have an older charm and may be in a prime location or a great condo building, but require some love and attention to bring them up to your desired standards. Let's explore the advantages. Price. There are more homes in this category in most Chicago neighborhoods, as our housing stock is a bit older. You will also see less competition from other buyers, which means more negotiating leverage. This can give you greater flexibility in your budget or allow room to invest in renovations that suit your personal preferences. Buying a home that needs updating gives you the opportunity to personalize it according to your taste and style. From choosing paint colors to selecting fixtures and finishes, you can make it fully your own. By investing in a home that needs updates, you have the potential to build equity and increase its value over time. Strategic renovations can yield a higher return on investment if done wisely. You will need a bit of patience and vision with these homes. However, if you enjoy the process of making a home your own, it may be a worthwhile endeavor. And remember, you can take your time instead of doing everything at once. It is crucial to limit your risk. Homes with great existing layouts and good mechanicals are great candidates for cosmetic updates. Assess carefully before undertaking more extensive work. So which option is right for you? Ultimately, it comes down to knowing your personal preferences, budget, and willingness to take on renovations. Gut rehabbed homes offer convenience and modernity, while homes needing updating provide the opportunity for customization and potential value appreciation. Remember, it is important to evaluate your priorities. Consult with a real estate professional and choose the option that best aligns with your vision and budget. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Chicago home buying tips. Until next time, happy house hunting. If you're considering a purchase in Chicago this year, let's chat. DM me or schedule a free, no obligation discovery call to get the straight talk on your situation.